Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make this starfish. It can be used as a pincushion, as a key ring, or as a charm to hang in your summer bag. It's very easy to make and is suitable for beginners. The material I used can be found in the description box below. So let's get started. We start with a magic ring. We are going to make 5 single crochet inside the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we can close our ring and we're going to slip stitch in the first single crochet we made. In this way. Now we're going to chain 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting from the second chain, this is the first, into the second, we're going to make single crochet. Single crochet all the way. Single crochet. In this way. Now we're going to slip stitch in the next stitch. We chain 8 again. Into the second we start again our single crochet. We are going to slip stitch into the next and we start again like we did before. We have a 2 point, we need a 5, so we chain 8. From the second we start our single crochet and then we slip stitch in the next stitch. We do this all this round. I'm almost at the end. I need my last slip stitch. At this point we can cut the yarn. And our star is ready. Now we can switch color. Now we can pull this thread in the back of our star. In this way. I have my new color. In the same point where we close, we are going to insert our hook and pull a loop with our new color. We make a chain, now we are going to work half a double crochet. First stitch here, half a double crochet in the next, half a double crochet in the next. For our last 4 stitches, we're going to make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we continue in the other side in the same way, but backwards. So we're going to make 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 3 stitches we're going to make half a double crochet, and the one here in the middle we slip stitch. Now in this side again we are going to make 3 half a double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the other side we will continue like we did before with the 4 single crochet and 3 half a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4 single crochet, and now 3 half a double crochet. And 1 slip stitch in the middle. This is the pattern that you're going to follow all the way around. 4 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, 1 slip stitch, all the way around. I'm almost at the end. I just need my last slip stitch. Now we can cut the yarn. Let's make one more knot here, like that. And our star is ready. Now we're going to make another piece exactly the same like this one. You can choose to make it 2 colors like this or just 1 color. We're going to make it, but do not close your work because we're going to join the 2 sides together. I have my second starfish. I just made 1 solid color. Now I need 1 more stitch, which is the slip stitch here. So here we are going to join our second starfish. We are going to make the 2 wrong sides facing each other. I'm going to insert my hook where I slip stitch. In the other side where is the slip stitch, and I'm going to slip stitch. Now if you want here, you can cut those threads, or you can pin with a marker your star so it's not gonna move. Then what we're going to do is just make a single crochet for each stitch. Take both sides and make single crochet. One side, the other side, single crochet. And we're going to do this all the way around. I will finish this round and I will meet you before the end. I'm at this point, I didn't close everything because now is a good time to fill our starfish. I'm going to use this polyester fiber fill. We just need a little amount of this, but if you don't have any leftover yarns, it will be fine. So I'm going to fill the star. You can use your crochet hook if it's easier for you. Or just your fingers, or any other tools you find suitable. Now we can start closing a little bit more this part. Just push a little bit your fill. We're going to, like we did before, single crochet. Slip stitch. Where is the slip stitch? And we close the last part. Now we can fill this last part. And we can continue closing the single crochet. Our last stitch is a slip stitch. You can make a knot and we can cut the yarn. Just a little bit you're feeling inside your starfish. Now we're going to weave in this end with the yarn needle. Just go inside and come out any point you like. This way, then close but not in the same spot. You move in another way. The thread will be trapped inside because of the filling. And at this point, we're going to cut the yarn. And our starfish is ready. I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.